In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach a magnetic snap on your beaded bag. So we're going to need one magnetic snap and 0.3 millimeter fishing line. So that's how you attach your fishing line on one side of the magnetic snap. Make sure you tie 2 knots to make it firm, and you pass through another fishing line on the other side of the magnetic snap. Then you tie 2 knots. Then you're going to press the 2 sides to protect our fishing line from rolling over. So we're going to look for the middle part of the bag, and you're going to count 3 from the top, the third one from the top, and that's where you're going to place our magnetic snap. So the fishing line goes through one bead, both fishing line goes through one bead, as you can see. So here you have to make sure your fishing line is as tight as possible. Here you tie a knot, and the right fishing line goes through that bead, and you make sure the knot is inside the bead. Then you cut the excess fishing line. Again, the other side, both fishing line goes through one bead. Again, you have to make sure your fishing line is tight enough. And the magnetic snap is as close to the bag as possible. Again, you tie a knot. Then the fishing line goes through the other side. Pull it so that the knot can be inside the bead, and you cut the excess fishing line, and that's how it looks. So we're going to attach the other side. Again, you put your fishing line on both sides. You attach the cover of the magnetic snap. Make sure you tie 2 knots on each fishing line. So again, you're going to press to make it firm. Again, we're going to count the middle part, and we count 3 beads from the top, and that's where we are going to place the other side of the magnetic snap. Again, it goes through both fishing line goes through one of the beads. So the fishing line goes through as many beads as possible. This is also to make sure or to help that it's firm enough, and it may not Again, you tie a knot, it goes through one of the bead, then you pull and you cut the excess fishing line. Again, you're going to do the other side the same way. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like and share for this and amazing content. Here again, you tie a knot, then it goes through the bead, and you make sure the knot is inside the bead, and you cut the excess fishing line, and that's how it looks.